Good morning, Wolfpack. What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing this morning? Oh, something's wrong with this. I'll fix the screen in a minute here. Okay. Let's have a look here, my friends. Let's have a look here. Let's see. See what I was doing with the screen here. Just give me a second, my friends. Where do we got that? Weebo. Come on, there we go. We're friggin' styling this morning. Let's do this. What do we got? I haven't even had a chance to look at the screener here. I've been on with an employer on the phone. So, oops. What am I doing? Just give me a second here, my friends. Just give me a second here. There we go. There we go. Okay, let's have a look at AMC. I haven't even had a chance to look at it this morning. Where is that little bad boy? Oh, we're in the red this morning. Oh well, it is what it is. Okay. Let's do this. Let's do this, guys. Okay, can everybody hear me? Let's get this all out of the way. Is everything good? Can you hear, can you see me? Can you hear me? Oops. Just hang on a second. I gotta adjust the screen here. Give me a second here. Oh, this stuff's so finicky. So finicky. There we go. That's so touchy, this stuff, eh? This, if you guys, can you guys hear me at all and see me and all that stuff? Can you give me the thumbs up, my friends? Yeah, thumbs up. Okay, thanks, guys. Thanks, my friends. Give me a second. I'll adjust this. There we go. Yeah. Okay. So, just wanted to see everything on here. Yeah, the thing with this, when I shoot this stuff, it's like an actual studio. I got all this studio, like all these all these things. It has to, yeah, for YouTube to connect and all that stuff. It's crazy, man. It's so confusing sometimes, but I got it going. So, anyways, okay, yeah, right on. Everybody's here. Holy crow, there's a whole whack of us here. Welcome back, Lloyd. So, I'm going to go through, Rick's here too. Okay, I'm going to go through the list here on the top. I'm just going to paste some stuff over. We got about 5 minutes before market opens. The Doge Doge Father. I like that handle. That's friggin' awesome, man. There you go. There you go. Okay. Let's get over here. And I know the screen's a little bit bright there. I was just in a job interview right now, so I got to talk to you guys about something. That guy called me about that work, so I'll be heading to work in a couple days here. So that's what I was just on an interview right now. I'll get this off the screen. Just bear with me with the bright screen for a second, guys. I got to log into Facebook with that for us here, and put our stuff over there. Okay. What are we doing here? I'm a little sidetracked this morning. Not sidetracked, but I got too much stuff on the screen here. I had 2 cameras running here, and oh my god, crazy stuff. Crazy stuff, my friends. Okay. Whoa, what's that? No, we don't want to start another stream up here. What's going on here? Come on. There we go. There we go. Oh, it doesn't want to agree with me this morning. Okay. Too many screens open here. Okay, live. Just let me paste this stream key over to my or to Facebook, huh? Since I got this stuff hooked up now. And Do 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 do. 7 minutes before market opens. Yeah. Okay. I didn't. What the hell's going on here? I'm not used to it coming in that clear. What's going on? That's crazy. It's not supposed to be look like this. It's not supposed to be looking this good. Okay. That thing's messing with me. And we're not going to play games with YouTube today. There it is. We're not going to play any games today. Okay. Copy this. do, 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 do. Okay, there, we finally got the screen in. A little slow this morning. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. There we go. Post this stuff. Okay, we're live. Done. Boom. Okay, we're not going to post on Reddit anymore. I gave up on that. Like I said, it's just a joke. I've deleted everything off of Reddit. So, anyways. Okay, let's go through the list here, my friends. Let's put on the screen here so I can see it. You guys are the only ones that can see the stock screen. Okay. Let's pull this screen up here. Let's get ready. We got 30 seconds before market opens here. I don't have the... I might have that wolf sound. Do I have the wolf sound? No, I don't. What? I thought I had it on the screen here. What the hell's going on here? What's going on here? What's going on here? Okay. I'm looking for it right now. I don't see it. We're not going to screw around with this computer because we know what happens when you do that. We're just going to go in here. It is what it is. Okay, so I'm going to start at the top here. Holy crow, you guys have been busy chatting. Okay. Oh, damn. Where's my coffee? No vape? Oh, fuck. I am losing my mind this morning. Okay. Market open. Ooh, Wolfpack. Let's do this. Okay. We'll see what happens. I'll let you guys keep an eye on the screen. You guys can monitor the screen for me while I'm going through this stuff. Too many things going on here. Actually, I can see it right there. Wow, that comes in crystal clear now. Okay, anyways, good morning, Jay. How you doing, brother? Joshua, Christopher, Sanjay. Alfred, good morning, brother. Rick, welcome back, Rick. Lloyd, our little brother, how you doing, man? Bimo, welcome back, man. Be Ghost, and the Doge Father, welcome to our channel, my friend. Mr. L, Ed, Aaron, good morning. Warren, good morning. Whoa. Joshua already said good morning. Mr. American Boss, welcome back, my friend. Is that it? That can't be the bottom of the list, is it? It is. Wow. Okay, I got to the bottom of the list. Everybody's chatty this morning. It's good. What the hell? Oh, it's right there. Let's check something out here. Can't see. We're good. I shouldn't be smoking this shit anyways. So, talk to me, guys. Talk to me. Good morning, JP. So, guys, Um, Mr. L, I like your. We got another person saying it's going to squeeze next week, the next week after, week after, another YouTuber. I wish they would just give up on that shit. Nobody knows when it's going to squeeze, man. That's all good. It's all good. It's all good. I just hope he doesn't fall in that category, man, where he's like, good morning, D. Good morning. And you do just send me, time there, a girl that you're available to do a voice chat, video stream. Whenever you got time, I'm gonna leave that up to you. Just put it in the afternoon. Look at this push we got. Holy crap! Look at that candle go. It's up to you, girl. Whatever you want to do, whatever time's good for you. Just in the afternoon, please. After 1 o'clock my time, would be awesome. We got to wrap this up. I got a huge job offer that just came in last night, late, while I was doing a podcast last night with a client, and yeah, that was that job offer, and they offered me almost double the money to come up to go. It's gonna be locally now, but I'm driving into Vancouver City, which is major, and yeah, it's 6 years work. So I don't know if I'm gonna work 6 years, and they said that they'd give me 3 months off in the summer, which I don't like working in the summer. I'd like to. That's my camping time. I don't work for anybody in the summer except myself. So, thank you, Dave. Thank you, girl. So, yeah, I'm very transparent with you guys. So I will be doing a podcast in the morning still. It'll be about 4 in the morning my time. It'll be for about 10 minutes, 15 minutes. And what we're going to do is, the reason why I'm going to do that instead of just shutting the door on the channel is just because I love you guys. And just to talk over stuff. Like if you have any questions in the morning and stuff. I know it's kind of early, but it is what it is. This squeeze is not going to be for a while, man. Like, I'm not going to sit here and just, like I've always never done that to you guys. It's going to squeeze next week. It's going to squeeze next month. It's 2 weeks before Christmas. It's going to squeeze this day. It's all bullshit, okay? You guys will know when it squeezes. I told you that. Every squeeze, you can tell, okay? It'll be up hundreds to thousands of percent in pre-market. It has to happen that way, right? It is nothing, the squeeze has nothing to do with us. It's the institutions and the hedgies, right? We're not the ones that shorted the stock, right? So, yeah, and it's the same job. Job modified. Yeah, it is. It is, brother. It's the same one. It's doing, well, the job's kind of, yeah, it's kind of changed. It's weird when you get a job. They kind of want you to do more stuff now. They want me to do some welding and mill rating now. I kind of got away from welding, but I guess I can pull my welding tools out. But it is what it is. I guess I'm doing some welding and mill rating and stuff and operating, and they want me to run a crane and a whole bunch of stuff. But it is what it is. It is what it is. So yeah, guys. Like I said, I'm very transparent with this. With the squeeze and stuff. When the squeeze does happen, I will make time for us to finish the squeeze. Okay, to do the squeeze. Okay, so if I wake up in the morning, I'm gonna know before you guys when it squeezes. Okay, pretty much. I'll be up about 3-4 in the morning my time. I know some of you are up at that time. Some are, right? I'll see the signs of it before, and then guess what it will be? Call into the job site. Oh, I'm not feeling well. I'm sick for 2 weeks. It is what it is, right? So, and things just go from there, right? But yeah, like I said, this guy knows he's pulling me out of retirement to do this job. So I told him that it's not going to go, I don't know about 6 years. and I need my summer off. Because who wants to work in the summer, man? Like, really? Like, come on. I want 2 to 3 months off. I gotta go camping, man. You gotta enjoy life, guys. Just so you guys remember that. Don't let anybody tell you any different. You enjoy life, okay? If you like something, go do it. Like, don't let people and government and people, employers try to control your life, okay? Don't fall into that group, okay? We're already machines for the government, like, you know what I mean? So, just giving you guys a heads up. Just don't get yourself into trouble that way, right? And I'm not saying don't pay your taxes and shit like that, right? That will get you into trouble. Okay, I know there's people out there that just don't pay taxes, and there's ways around it, but I don't agree with that. Where can I find my podcast? Right here, brother. Lloyd, it'll be here, man. We're doing it right. They will see you live here. They don't know about my podcast, dude. We're going to keep that quiet. I'm not going to advertise it on the job site. And it is what it is, right? I'm allowed to be sick and air on TV, right? Yeah, they don't know about this. And if they do anyways, it is what it is, right? There's always other work out there. It is what it is, right? I'm not worried about that. Like, I'm in so high demand right now for work. Like, it's just there's nobody around right now to work, and with all my qualifications, there's like very few people in my province with as many qualifications as me. So I don't know. Anyways, let's have a look at the screener here. Wow, that's weird, eh? All those stocks that were just kicking the other day are just like dormant. Oh, BlackBerry's here. I got to refresh this to see if this is correct. BlackBerry's up 3% already. That's pretty good. Good. What's crypto doing here? Same shit. Oh, what's I don't have Cardano on there. Where is it? Where's Cardano? Where is it? Oh, it's right there. Okay, it's at $2. Fucking wow. Weird day today. This feels like a Friday Felix. Oh, and Felix, not a problem, man. Not a problem, dude. I just feel kind of bad that I just feel kind of get Glock. I really don't need to work right now, right? I don't really need the money, right? I'm just getting bored, dude. That's what it is. I've been off, like I've been retired for almost 5 years now. It would be nice to buy a new truck. That's the only reason I think I'm going back, is just because I'd gotten so much money tied up right now into this stock and a couple other things right now. I've kind of over leveraged a bit, and I could liquidate, right? It is what it is. I'm not talking about sell my AMC, but I could liquidate a bunch of other stuff and move it around and stuff like that. But it is what it is. The COVID did hit us all hard. I had a couple things go sideways. I'm not going to talk about it on here. I had one of my friends pass away, my business partners, not from COVID, but for a heart attack that was out of the blue. Yeah, that kind of hurt me a bit financially. So things have changed a bit. Obviously after the squeeze, of course, like that's just inevitable. Why would I do that? But Warren, it's all good, dude. If I was reading through all the regulations and stuff. $120. Ed, I just seen an article on they have a thing called Indeed up here. That's where you look for work. If you meet someone retired, so good workers are in good demand. I know, that's the thing. They offer, well, my pay's $45 an hour, right? And that's just straight time, and then full medical, dental, and stuff like that, and then guaranteed 6 years work, just like that, right? To sign on, and this is a signed contract, like, so it's all right wage, right? 45 an hour is all right, right? But 125 for a driver, a snowplow driver, that's crazy. I've been seeing ads like that all over the place. They can't find work anywhere, workers anywhere, man. It's crazy. It's crazy. Nobody wants to work, man. And all the people I'm working with have been, the company has done, they can't tell who's vaccinated and who's not. But I'm in the category that is, just because of my wife having cancer before. So I'm really, really strict. I know I'm not one of these guys that you got to be vaccinated. It's just, if you're going to hang around with me, you have to be vaccinated, right? It's just the way it is, right? I have to protect my family. Do I believe in the drug and the way to do it? Fuck no. Do I hate the government for it? Yes. Am I one of these hardcore guys that fight it and, I'm not getting vaccinated? I was, but I've lost some people around me because of the virus. Do I think it protects us from that virus? No, not as much as it should. So I'm jaded a bit from it. It is what it is. I don't think it's a good way that they're demanding it on people. I think it's bullshit. But like I said, up here in Canada, it's a little bit different than everywhere in the world. I talked about this 2 months ago about how they've stopped us from going into places and you guys were all like, that's fucking bullshit. And now it's affecting you guys, right? I just got off a podcast from some people in the States there. I'm not going to mention names. And exactly what I was talking about 2 months ago is actually happening where they live now. So it's actually dividing everybody into two. So they're saying you guys can't go into certain places. You have to have this cards and all this shit or phone apps. And we were the guinea pigs up here in Canada for that, okay? It hit us first. Now the other governments around the world are adopting what we've done, which is bullshit. So I don't even want to get into that this morning here. But I'm just telling you guys straight up how it is. So yeah, it is what it is. Even the employer that I'm going to work with said that their workers are divided into two groups, and because the employers won't let them go to certain job sites if you don't have that, right? And I said, well, that's kind of bullshit, right? So I kind of don't agree on that, but it is what it is, right? So anyways, I just want to get that out of the way, and I don't condone anybody the way they believe. If you believe in something, go with it, man. I'm not that person. Ooh, I'm just getting nailed here. What's going on here? Holy shit. Ooh, TD Bank. What's going on here? Whoa! Something's ripping here. Something's ripping. I'm getting fucking... Did you hear all those messages come in? Okay, here we go. TD Bank is saying... Just wait. Oops. Bio fucking scan. They want my fingerprints. Let's see. What's ripping here? I got major alarms going off from every app on my phone. Ticker symbol LAC is on a fucking huge rip right now. Let's see this. They want me to purchase more. Of course they do. Let's check this out. That is lithium, or that's lithium. That's Let's hang on. I can't fucking brain dead this morning. Can't think. It's not lithium. Fucking retard. Okay. LAC. I know what it is. Lithium. It was right. It's lithium, man. Here it is right here. Supposedly it's on a rip right now. What? Well, why the fuck it isn't though? What the hell did I get that message for? That doesn't make sense. That's weird. Maybe that's an error on their fucking thing. I don't know. Weird. That's weird. Just hang on, guys. I gotta read this. Just hang on a second here. The fuck? I didn't read it. I just clicked on it. Oh, okay. LAC, is that? Yeah, okay. It's lithium. It is lithium. It's went over my price target of 30. Oh, it's $38 Canadian. Okay, I'm tripping out here. It's at an all-time high. Okay, that's what it is. Okay, I have alarms set from fucking like 8 months ago. That's what's going on here. Sorry about that, guys. I was wondering what the heck was going on. I was scratching my head here and like, it's at an all-time high right now. That's all it is. See, I told you guys I got the alarm set for you guys. Good morning, Manji. Oh, and that's Jad. Oh, they really didn't say that much, man. They're just gonna say I need surgery or on it or something, on my arm, on my shoulder actually, not arm. Well, it's arm connected to my arm, but yeah, man. And I'm in so much freaking pain. I guess I got tendonitis and a whole bunch of some fucking degenerative fucking shit with my shoulder blade with the tendon that runs over it. It's disintegrating. So what does that mean? Go to work full time, right? What's pain? My arm's fucked. I can't even believe I'm going to work, but it is what it is. I'll just work until I can't move my arm, and then I'm going for surgery. Isn't that the way you do it? I did it with my neck. My neck's all steel plates, right? I was working with a broken neck, fractured in 2 different places for 6 or 8 months. 8 months. It was so sore. I was like losing feeling in my arms, and I was starting to get paralyzed. I was dropping steel plates on the ground when I was welding and carrying stuff, and all of a sudden they'd just fall, or my arm would start twitching and stuff. I knew there was something wrong, and I was working, and then all of a sudden my doctor called me one day. Because there was a big backlog for MRIs here about 4 or 5 years ago, right? It's like 7-month waiting list for MRIs. So anyways, my MRI came back. My doctor called me right away off his private phone, right? And he goes, Cameron, man, stop work right now. Don't even pick up your tools. Go to your office. Tell your employer that you can't even pick your tools up there. You have a medical emergency. If they want to call me, they can. You have a spinal cord problem. Okay? To immediately just drive into my office, and whatever you do, don't slip and fall or jar your neck. Just take your time. Don't stress out. Don't trip and fall, whatever you do. Like, oh my God, this is scaring the shit out of me. So I get in there, and he goes, you have that bone in your neck when you were rear-ended. It fractured your neck in 2 different places, and it jarred the fucking vertebrae. It's been rubbing on your spinal cord. It's about 1 mil for punching through, and you're going to be paralyzed from the waist down. And I'm like, what? Are you kidding me? And he goes, yeah, man, that's why you're dropping things. You're losing mobility from the neck down. I'm like, are you fucking kidding me? I was just like in so much shock. And he goes, I want you to go home. You're booked for emergency surgery in 3 weeks. We're putting all the, and then he pulled up this screen with all these plates, and he goes, there's 2 different, I need to make a decision. There's 2 different types of surgery. Do you want these plates? Do you want to fuse your neck with this bar all the way down the back? I'm like, are you fucking kidding me? He goes, you're going to be stuck like this for the rest of your life. Or the UK has this medical stuff. They've come through. This has been out for about 3 years. They have these articulating joints that move. They're fused to the vertebrae, and they can articulate in this socket, right? We don't know how good it is. It's only been out for 2 to 3 years. We don't know how long it's going to last. I said, well, is there a lifetime warranty? He goes, nothing in this world's lifetime warranty. So it could wear out, and he goes, it could. And I'm like, oh man. Well, I said, how do you lubricate it? Like, do you go to oil? Like, you know what I mean? Like, it's a steel on steel. And he goes, no, there's neoprene socket that rotates. And I said, okay, I guess I'll go for that one. And that's why I can move my neck. It's all steel plates, man. Pretty crazy, eh? I'm one of those medical miracles. But I do have paralysis in my couple of my fingers. My arm twitch. That's why you'll see me twitch once in a while. That's what it is, guys. It's nerve damage. So, anyways. But thanks for asking, Jad. So yeah, the UK came through, man, for me. Yeah, they invented that, man. If you guys know, have you ever heard about the rotating joints that are in your knees and sockets in your arms and stuff? The UK invented that stuff, man. So I'll pump the screen over here. I'll get off this. Let's get back to AMC. Let's get this shit rolling. So, but yeah, then after the surgery, it was hard. You have to learn how to walk again. But I was pretty much learn how to walk. It was crazy, man. I was fucked up for a while. I didn't do any physio. I was supposed to do intense physio. That was the part of the plan. I didn't. I did it myself. I was just so strong in the head. When I want something, I'll fucking do it. I'm just like that, man. Like, same as with these stock. When I want to do something, and when I do this channel, I want to do something. That's what I'm trying to tell you guys. If you I know, and I've tested this theory out before about positive energy and positive attraction. I'm a walking person that has done it probably 20 times over, okay? And that's just the way it is. You can change things that can't be changed. You have to use, obviously, to some degree. If things are out of your control, like out of your, of course, like you're not frigging God, but bicep tendon, yes, Warren, yes, or Chris, yes. An Iron Man suit, yeah. Well, see, guys, my medical, I have Canadian medical, right? It's all free. It's all free to get all this stuff done. My neck was free. It was like $100,000, $150,000 surgery, and it was all free. The government paid for it, right? We have medical up here, but it's not all, well, because of our taxes are so fucking high. But not all of it's free though. The medications, everybody thinks that, oh yeah, it's all free. No, it's not, man. It's just like the surgeries, MRIs. MRIs is like fucking almost $2,000. All that shit's free. But yeah, no dental's free. We don't have any free dental up here. I know. Bicep tendon. Yeah, that's it, my friend. You nailed it. So Warren, you've been through this, hey brother? Because I need to pick your brain here. And then I want to talk to Manjeet for a minute here. Oh, thanks, RP. Yeah, so yeah, we're just carrying on here, guys. If you want me to look some stuff up, just fire it on the screen here. We're just hanging out again today, guys. That's what we do. There's nothing happening. We're having a down pull again. I kind of knew this was happening. We won't go much lower, guys. Okay, we have our options expiring tomorrow. Okay. I already know all this. Like I've showed you guys over the last month the theory I've came up with. Okay, I'm not a fucking genius. What I've been doing is I'm working with some other people on this, and the other people are you guys, because you guys pointed out, and I've been working, and there's some other people I work with, my friends and stuff, right? We've came up with this theory, and I'm 100% right. Okay. I've showed you guys, it's all about this, I call it the channel theory, okay? So what they're doing is they've run out of avenues, okay? They've run out of avenues with AMC, all of these stocks, okay? And what they're doing is playing in these channels. So I can predict what the stock's going to be at, okay, in the beginning of the first 2 days of the week, okay? And that's why yesterday I called it, what it was going to be. I called it the day before. I called what the... Besides what I took the time off the week with the computer problems, but I've been calling the channels within the $3 to $4 range, and it sticks in those channels. You can do it yourself, okay? Because they control the market. I've been saying this ever since I've started doing podcasts. We're just visitors here, okay? They own the stock market, okay? We are just visitors here. We can't control it. They own it. They can do whatever the fuck they want to the stock market, right? They got after hours is where the shit happens, okay? They make their decisions. They talk. They all coincide, even if they're enemies. We are the main enemies, okay? They do not like us, okay? So what we're doing is we're fueling their money. We're paying them pretty much. They're taking money out of our pockets. And they've, with the dark pool, that's what's fucking us, okay? It was another 20, 30 things before. We sealed all those doors, okay? There's one door that just got approved by them that kind of screwed us a bit, but it's not the end of the world. It's the payment for order flow, okay? I guess it's going to continue in the States. Are you, Chris? On your right arm? It's the same one. Dude, it's the bicep surgery. Oh, no, that's down here, so you tore the tendon in here, eh? Fuck. Oh, yeah, Ed. Dude, you can do it yourself? Yes, I do it every morning, or I do it all day, every time I come on with you. Yeah. Okay, so you guys, I can't pull up the screen. I'm going to give you guys a free chart. Fuck Ortex. It's junk. It's fucking junk. Don't use it, okay? It's cost you money. And it's always late. It's only like I say it's about 40% accurate. Okay. So I'm gonna get you a link. Stocks era. Actually, just type that in. Stocks era. It's out of the UK. Okay. Stocks. Just hang on a second. I'll try to get you a link. and I'm going to give you guys the information. I'm going to get you guys this. Use this, okay? All you do, hopefully it doesn't screen the screen out. Okay, it's not going to screen. So all you do is go to here. Just, okay, I already got it in here. It's already in here. Go to options. You can read the shit off their options charts, okay? So you go to option charts. You look at the options, okay? Sorry about the bright screen, guys. I can't control that on this app. I need my fucking sunglasses on. Okay, just let me see if I'm right again. I fucking nailed it again. That's exactly what's happening. Okay, so if you look at the options, okay, the highest it's going to go, well, the week's over, right? Tomorrow's everything is expiring. Well, the options for this week are expiring, I should say. I'll correct that. So, yeah, the lowest it's going to go, just let me look. Oh, okay, just let me look. Okay, volume, out of the money, in the money, strike point. Okay, go on the strike point, and you look, and find out what option. So, 29 is the lowest. Fucking, what are we at right now? That's $10 difference. Okay, that's pretty low. So we're going to go up here. Okay, $33. It's never going to go below $33. I can tell you right now by looking at this strike chart. Okay, so there, or 34. Oh, 34, there's a lot of fucking options in there. So we're at this. I think 38, 30, it's not going to go any lower than this. Not by Friday. It's impossible. And then 40, 43, 43, 42, 43 is the max. It will not go any higher than that. It won't by Friday. I'm sorry, guys. It will not. I'm fucking 100% on that. Because the only options, there's only 283 options in the money on there. $43, there's 1,272. 42, there's 2,597 options expiring in the money on $42. There you go. That's the hedge funds. That's aftermarket shit, okay? Straight up. This guy's chart is a fucking genius, man. This guy's so accurate with their shit, with options. And then out of the money, in the volume. Oh, the call, that's just put, okay? Now I'm going to do the call, okay? So, at $34, there's only 440. $45. Oh, I thought that. I'm just looking at the $45. 3,551. There you go. Boom. It won't go any lower than that. Because why would it? They would screw themselves. Okay? So, if you look at the chart here, 16,955 fucking in the money on $43. Okay? Anything below that, and then look at then 44 is 8,000. Okay? Then 45, 20,000. And then it drops off the chart. So, that's why I said 45 is the highest it will go. There's the channel, guys. That's called channeling. Okay? So you got your channel. It's been doing this for a month. Okay? This is how they're making their money. They're making fucking millions and millions and millions and millions of dollars off this, guys. Sorry about the... So, I'm going to get off this. There he goes. Now you can see me again. Sorry about that, guys. There's nothing I can do about that. Come on, Gary. Who's Gary? Check out this. Pull up all your meme stocks. Since bell rang, look at the similarities. Okay. I would do that. Yeah, they're all the same. Oh, I gotta hit refresh here. I just don't like that chart. Yeah, they're all at, one's at 192% down. GameStop's 181% in the red. Dig World, which is, I guess, a meme stock's a newer one. Yeah, they're all probably pretty much the same. You're right. Yeah, BlackBerry within 1%. And then AMC's at the same. Oh, Gary Gensler. Oh, you didn't cover Come clear. Oh, what's the link again? Oh, sorry, Ed. It's stocks era. Just I'm gonna ghost again, guys. Sorry about that. I'm gonna be a ghost again here. Haha, that's funny. Okay. It's right here. I'm gonna see if I can get a link off this without going into a ghost mode. No, it won't let me. Okay, I'm gonna have to click back on there, my friends. So I've been seeing these patterns for I like what you, Brandon. I know exactly what you're talking about. I know it's the same thing. What you're seeing is the same things as the options, dude. If you look at all the charts, you can do the same thing. Okay, so I'm gonna get you guys the link here off of this stocks era here, and it gives you a lot of information on here. It's hard to get used to this, guys. So you're gonna have to. Why is it not letting me copy the URL? The fuck. Bookmark. Okay, I'm just gonna have to give you guys the name here, I guess. That's weird. That's weird. Why is it doing it? I've never had that issue before. This fucking new computer program. These fucking Microsoft, man. I should have bought an Apple. I hate Apple, though. But I should have bought one, man. Because I'm getting really sick of this bullshit. This Windows 11's even worse, man. Fuck. Okay, guys. I'm going to have to just... Why won't it... Bullshit. It won't let me. Okay, what I'm going to do is try to copy this. Will it let me even do that? Yes, it will. Okay, so, damn, that's bright. That has to shut down right now. Oh, sorry, guys. Just give me a second. Oh, fuck. Wow, I'm not exaggerating. That's friggin' bright, man. That's a 37 or 32-inch fucking curved monitor blasting in my face, man, with it's all high definition shit, like maxed out. Oh, it's maxed out because I got this new fucking, well, it's not new. It came with the computer, but it's a high-end graphics card, right? So it's fucking really intense. Okay, here, brother. Here you go. I can't do it on there. Are you fucking kidding me? You cocksucker. Okay. Pardon my language. Sorry, ladies. I didn't mean to say that. Okay, so I'm going to have to go into my actual... I'm glad I have all these monitors because I would be screwed right now trying to get this to you guys. I'm going to actually have to go in through YouTube and do it and paste it. Okay? Just give me a minute. I'm doing it right now. The things I do for you guys. Okay. So, right here, there we go. If it starts Linux, Ed, Linux. Linux, I have a Linux actually. I have I have a hypervisor. Do you know what that is? I can ghost Linux onto this computer as a thing. I've actually been playing with Linux a little bit, but I get myself into trouble on it. I don't know if this will work, my friends. Just try that. Try that link, okay? Yeah. Oh, guys, and by the way, I'm not telling you guys to do options. I want to be crystal clear on that. It's very fucked up right now. I don't do it. I don't even have the balls to do it. I know some of you guys are friggin' really good on it. I'm not saying that. Oops, I gotta mute that. Was I getting echoing? I must have. No, I didn't. Okay, weird. So, okay, good. Okay, you got it? Okay, good. So, guys, no, I didn't. But talking about meme stocks are in all basket and how they use them. Is it? Okay, I'm going to have to look at it. I love that guy. He's my favorite. He's my favorite, man. Yeah, Ed, it's good. It's a good dig for you, man. You guys, if you want to be smarter than them in a lot of ways and smarter than a lot of people, okay? A lot of these people on YouTube and stuff like that. You got to do the homework and you got to look at stuff, educate yourself, okay? I haven't had enough time to do stuff. It's just I'm really, like I said, you guys know me, I'm a very calculating mind, okay? And sometimes it gets me going off sideways a bit. That's why I'll be... Yeah, I know, Brandon. I know, dude. It is what it is, right? With that shit, with your options. But just be careful. That's all I say. Guys, just be careful. Okay, I'm just going to pull this off here, my friends, because I want to look at the chart. Okay, there you guys go. So just educate yourself on that. I'll pin that to the top for you, if I can. It's not going to let me. Okay, so you're going to have to... Or I can do it right here. There, it's pinned, guys, right to the top. Okay? So, yeah, just educate yourself on that. And it's up to you if you want to use it for option trading on it. I would be very careful because the variable is so big on it. There's nobody in the world that can slam it right to the fucking number within the cent every day. There's no such thing, okay? And I've been using the trading bot shit that can narrow it down to pretty much anything, and that's a computer. And I'm just telling you guys, the vibration of the fucking algorithm is changing all the time. And with this dark pool fucks it up. It's just not, back in the day, yes, you could, but you can't now. Okay. But you can get yourself what you can do with this information I'm giving you guys. You can try it for options, but just this is just entertainment, guys. I'm not giving you guys financial advice. Okay. But what this can do is help you, so you're not stressed out as much. It'll just keep you. It's called channeling, right? So what they're doing is they're just keeping it in a range. Okay. So next week, by Monday, end of Monday, I will know what the range is. Okay. Last week it was 36 range. Okay. It was 38 to 36, and it would stay in that channel. Okay. This week, it's 42 to 38. That's the channel, okay? That's at closing. Like, through the day, it can bounce, but it might go maybe over like 50 cents over, and then it'll drop down. And then it'll go back up, but it won't hold like that. That's all I'm saying is it doesn't matter what it does through the day. It's when it closes is what the final key is, okay? I'm just here to give you guys, to steer you in the right direction on shit, okay? I'm not here to, like, solve problems for you guys, as much as I would like to. I'm just here to like I said, education's friggin' power in this world, right? And long as you use it for good things, okay? I never use my education and my power, and I'm talking with trades, everything I know, I don't use it for my negative, okay? I'm just telling you, I'd be one fucking scary motherfucker if I did, okay? With all the shit that I know and stuff, if I used it towards the negative, I would self-destruct myself, okay? And you don't want to do that in life, okay? It's not good. Because, you guys are good guys. You just, I'll leave that with you, okay? So... hypervisor. That's what it is. A hypervisor. Good morning, Sean. Welcome to the channel, brother. So you guys want to cover anything else this morning? I know things are going to be a little bit different here in the next couple days here. Thank God that... Oh, did you with Joshua? Good. I'm glad I could pass that on about him. Yeah, he's a little bit... I would like to meet him in person. I'd really like to meet him in person. One thing about him, though, is he does a lot of Reddit reads, okay? Like I said, I don't support Reddit anymore. I'm just done with it. So some of the stuff, if he's wrong on some of that, don't take it out on the guy, okay? Because he does Reddit reads, okay? Reddit is not as accurate as it used to be. It's infiltrated really bad, okay, to the negative. So there's still some good people on there. I'm not saying that. I have some friends that are actually like Reddit and stuff like that, but that are actually hardcore Reddit that have made some stuff up. VMware. I got some on my computer. I know exactly what you're talking about. Probably half the people don't know what you're talking about, Pawn. VMware, bro. For memes, laugh out loud. So, I know what you're talking VMware. It's a hypervisor that you put on your computer. So you can make a computer inside of a computer inside of a computer. Okay. You can use containers too. You guys probably don't know what the fuck I'm talking about, half of you. So what you can do is what I've done, and I think that's why I fucked this computer up to begin with. I think I had something to do with it. I made a Linux. I made another computer inside of a computer. Okay, and it was to do with my bot because I didn't want my bot taking all my personal information off my computer and using it and putting my personal, like my fucking social insurance number and all my banking shit and using it against me, because that can happen. It goes out there and starts fucking infiltrating computers and shit, and all of a sudden your name's tagged to it, right? Which would not be good. That would be life sentence in jail, right? So what I did was I ghosted it, okay? So in case it went sideways on me and started using my programs against me and started hacking my shit, like my own stuff, like trying to break into my bank account and all that stuff, and you're probably thinking, oh, fuck that, right? No, it can happen. It had the software to do that. How do you think it reads the fucking algorithm, okay? So that's why I did it. I put it in a hypervisor. And you guys will, it's pretty cool. You can make, I can make this computer, I can make a Linux, which run, and a whole bunch of other stuff. I can run a DOS program, but it's totally separate than the actual computer. It's pretty neat stuff if you want to look into it. But, yeah, anyways, I won't get into that stuff. I know it's a little bit, out there a bit. And I'm not a programmer, okay? I know fuck all about that shit. Well, a little bit, but I just don't. It's too hard. I'd rather get a program to do it for me. Okay. So guys, talk to me. What do you got? What are we looking? Bed and Bath and Beyond? It didn't do that much, eh? Oh, man, look at that fucking sheep coin, man. Fuckers, man. Fuck. And I don't have any of it. See, I get so upset for you guys. Thinking about Gloria mostly there, girl. Oh, man. I want that to go up for you guys. Some of you guys own millions and millions of it. That's right, Brandon. If you miss wrong or tap the wrong button and put a dot, or even worse, one of those fucking arrows will tell the fucking thing to go sideways on you and do something crazy, man. But yeah. I know I'm kind of off the wall there, guys. I try not to talk about that kind of stuff. I was like, probably make my own channel on that kind of stuff. What's this? I'm reading here, Brandon. I'm reading. You seem to be pretty smart too, Brandon. You come up with some good Gen Pond too. All you guys are like smart in your own little ways, man. I love it. All of you. Did you get out of sheep yesterday? Oh, I had 30 million. See, that's what I was talking about. You guys have a lot of fucking coin in there, man. Did you make a nice profit? Okay, good. Good, guys. Good. I love it when you guys make money. That makes me happy. I don't give a fuck about me. I can make money anywhere, man. Right? But I'm not worried about that. Jerry, you got back on the channel. Was that you? Was that, I can't remember because we got so many guys on this channel now, man, and ladies, which is awesome, awesome stuff. Was that you that was having problems getting back on the chat bar? Was that? I'm just trying to think. I have a couple of Jerry. I have probably about 5 Jerrys out of the subs. I can't remember. Sorry if I'm wrong. Oh, does he have a surprise? Good morning. Make sure guys do your trust wallet, especially if you're using Android. It will be hacked in less than 1 day. Oh yeah, Android is the easiest system to hack, guys. There's no security at all on it. Yeah, he's right. Ramon's right, 100%, guys. I can clone an Android phone in 2 seconds. I can make 2 phones off your phone number in like fucking 5 minutes, man. Yes, okay, it is you. Okay. I just didn't want to be disrespectful to you. Okay, you got back on. What was the issue, bro? I just need to know this stuff. Was it I know a lot of subs thought they were subbed to the channel, and they were, and for some reason they what's put and call mean? Oh man. Okay, I'm not the best on this, Lloyd. Okay, and everybody that came on the channel, Lloyd is new. He's a younger investor. I think this is, if I'm wrong, one of his first trades is AMC, which is beautiful. It's one of the probably the best moves you could have made. You could get stung in a lot of other things. Out of the hundreds of thousands of stocks on the market, you picked the only one pretty much that is going to make potential money in the future. Okay, so. Oh, fuck. Where do I start on this one? It's options. Your puts and calls is an options. It's options, okay? And in the money, out of the money, is obviously you're gonna make money and you're out. Fuck. Yes, I can check pro for you. It's right here. I think I already got it for there. Right there, bro. It's already saved for you, man. That's how much I care for you guys. I got it right there on my list. Right there. Boom! That's how much I fucking look after you guys. There you guys go, bro. I just want to... can you guys... who does options on... Brandon, you're an options guy. You want to help him out on this... he wants to know what they mean in definition. I do, but I'm not an options guy, and I think that you would have a little bit more information on it. I know about it, and I know enough to stay away from it. Okay, if that means anything to you guys. Lloyd, stay. I can't give you financial advice, but if it was me, stay the fuck away from it. Especially being a new trader, I would not do that unless you use. There you go. There you go. Okay, Ed. Oh, okay. That's the wrong one. Oh, is it? Shit. Sorry, brother. Is it? Okay, this shit. I'll delete this right off the chart. Fuck. Sorry, buddy. Thank you. Thank you for telling me. Okay, which one was it? Okay, this is the holdings one. Inc. You're after the Inc one, right? Sorry, man. We went through this yesterday. Is this the one? Is this it? Inc. Okay, we got it. There you go, bro. It's up huge today. It's ripping. Anything over 10% is a rip. And remember when I told you guys? That's just my way of speaking. There you go. Brendan's calling it. He seconded that, man. Stay the fuck away from it, dude. But it's nice to know you're educating yourself. There's nothing wrong with that, brother. I don't do options at all, man. At all. I would lose all my money, right? It's just my brain doesn't. I'm too programmed, like I I think too far out the box to channel into thinking like that. I got too many variables going on, and my brain just goes, it explode over options, right? Warren. So yeah, man. Thank you so much, Brandon, for explaining that. I couldn't have done a better job. That was brilliant, man. See, I know areas to stay out of, and I know I will not get on here and bullshit you guys about stuff. If I know I don't know that much about it, I won't speculate on stuff. I would just pass it on to somebody else. Okay, that's why I won't do that. It's not that I don't know anything. It's just that I don't want to. If I know 3/4 of something and the rest is speculating, I don't do that to somebody. It's not fair. Okay. Because I've had it done to me lots. Why do you think I built this channel? Okay, because of lies and bullshit. I don't like being lied to, and there's a lot of people that are getting lied to about stuff on YouTube. And I'm not going to mention names. You guys know who the hell they are. Matt Coors. I should go on his channel. Oh, is it locked down now? I should go on his channel, guys, and say, hey, Matt. He would trip. He'd probably block me immediately. He would shut the fucking channel down. No, he'd block me right away. Have you seen CS Trades, the Wolfpack come up on there? Yeah, look at Ed's even telling you. That's right, yeah. You can have beginner's luck, man. If you want to go on the YOLO, you know what YOLO is? Okay, type in YOLO Reddit wins and losses, okay? Lloyd, type that in there and you'll know what that means. It's pretty friggin' amazing, man. People have won millions of dollars on like an options trade. Okay? On options, like on just one play, right? Just new to the market, boom, put like fucking 20 grand down and fucking made $2 million. Like, no shit. This is back in January and stuff. Like, well, it still happens, but I'm talking back then when there was a lot of action in the market. Oh, I didn't know that, Brandon. See, I learned something today. I didn't know I thought there was only weekly options. Yeah, Manjeet doesn't even do options. There you go. Manjeet, I wanted to talk to you about something. I know it's a very touchy subject now. What the fuck is with Tesla? We're going to pull it right on here. Oh, yeah, I wanted to look at this a bit for... Just want to have a look at this. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Look at this. Wow. That's weird. Usually it goes down when the market opens. Oh, wow. That's weird. Yeah, usually it does this. So what if... Okay. Mac, I gotta rate that. Oh, fuck. My kid stole my pen when I was here. I don't have a pen. Shit. Shit. Do you have my email, Ed? That's a lot of work for you to do. No, don't say Tesla. Yeah, no, I wasn't doing it to dig at you. I know it's going crazy, I know. I do want to see. I'm not doing it to because I know you had lots and you sold it all, man. I'm not doing it to bug. I just want to. Oh, I can see right now. Oh yeah, it's up another fucking couple $100. Holy shit, crazy. Wow, just as we've been talking, Sheepcoin's gone down 2%, or gone down another 2 to 3%. Holy fuck, it's collapsing hard. Okay, here, but. Tesla. It's man, it's gonna come back down, guaranteed. It can't sustain that. That's why I tried to explaining to you guys. So I tried explaining with these when you have these big runs, up like hundreds of percent. It's gonna correct. It's called a correct. For the people that don't know, it's not a collapse. Okay, it's called a correction. Okay, certain things will fuel a stock, unlegitly. There's legit ways and there's non-legit ways. A person talking about a stock and it pumps, like Dogecoin, okay, with Elton, Mr. Musk, okay, that's not legit, okay. That's called an unlegit pump, okay. Not talking pumping a stock. I shouldn't use that word. That's called an unlegit rising of a stock, okay. So what that will do is feel it for a day or two, and then it's gonna correct. But usually that correct will take it down even lower than it went to, okay? So that's why I'm pretty good at looking at, that's why I'll say, guys, be careful. Because when I do say that, usually the next day or the two, it'll correct, okay? So if you see these things go up like hundreds of percent and you have not gotten it in the beginning, you could be in it on a stock and you don't even know it, and all of a sudden the next day you're just in it because you like the stock and it went up a couple percent. Of course you're in it to make money, and then all of a sudden it's up 400 or 500% the next day, and you're like, holy shit, I never knew this. Nobody even talked about it, right? That isn't a planned event. Those are the scary ones, okay? That means that the hedge funds, institutions have done something behind the scenes. That means that it's in the money for them, okay? Do you know what that means? Cash fucking out right now. As soon as you get that and you see up your stock 200, 300, 400%, it's never done that before in the history. If it was me, I can't tell you guys what to do. This is not financial advice. I would pull my shares out right now. Boom, collect my profits and just pull out and never look at that stock again, okay? Because 99%, 98% of the time, that thing's going to correct but go lower and you're going to lose your money, okay? And any experienced investor will know that. Okay, that's just some advice there for myself because I can't give it to you. But yeah, that's what I do. So, okay, I'm just going to read some comments here, my friends. Okay, I was just looking at this one. This is not bad, eh? It's doing a good little run today. Are you gonna pull on your position here, my friend? Or are you in this long? Okay, I'm gonna go back to AMC here, guys. Where is it? Where's AMC? AMC. I got this all in the chart. There it is. Oh, Visions of Lithium's up another 3%. It's slowly getting back up there. Fucking hopefully I can catch my fucking money out. Okay. Let's make sure I didn't miss any comments here. I'm just going way up, back up the chart here. Okay, we're in the options. They expire. Yeah, I didn't know about monthly options expiring. I thought there was. I don't know anything that's much about options. That's why I'm totally stayed away from that. I know I already said that, but. There you go, Brandon. You on Tesla? You did? Sweet. Shiba rug pull. Yeah. It's doing a correction because I explained this before when it was doing its run. Okay, I fact check me on this. Pull back my videos out of archives and watch it. Okay, I said be careful on this. It's gonna have a correction and you're gonna lose your shirt on this. Okay, watch what you're doing. If you're gonna fucking I said if it was me, I would cash out. Okay, and that was back when it had that good pull. Okay. And I got a message. One guy made like over $25,000 on that. He did what I said I would do is pull. He pulled that day and it went down. Okay. So he made a substantial amount of money on that. I don't know how much money he put in that. I'm not going to mention the name out of respect, but he's one of our, he comes on here once in a while, but he watched my video after hours. So the next morning he pulled, and then that afternoon it started collapsing or correcting. I shouldn't say collapsing. But if you're long on a stock, ride it out, right? Everything will go up and down. It's the stock market. I can't wait for the fire sale. I know, me too. I can't wait either. I might buy some Tesla, right? Hey, Michael, how you doing, brother? Brother. Okay, I told my sister about the native children story. Oh, dude, Sean, did you look that up? I know, dude. Yeah, dude, I know. I'm native too, right? Like I said, I got my 16th, right? Carrier, actually, from up in the north end of British Columbia, right? The real natives. But yeah, man, it's very sad. It's all like a lot of people don't know about that until you look it up on the internet. It's just sad, man. All those dead babies buried around those Catholic churches all across Canada. Every Catholic church has dead kids all the way around them, babies, right? That were born and just beat to death, right? It's fucked up, man. I've never heard anything like that before in my life. But and yeah, Sean, if you're still on here, sorry I missed your conversation up there while we were talking. I didn't put that out there for you guys. It's education, okay, on how fucked our government is up here, okay. I didn't put that out there to get people upset, okay. Okay, what are you doing? Me too, Sanjo Kale. I will buy heavy into Tesla when it goes back down and hard. Yeah, it will. It'll correct. It's gonna have a huge correction. It's up way higher than it's supposed to be. You have to think this is a managed. A Tesla is a squeeze play. I don't know if you guys know that. Okay, it is so fucking heavily shorted, and it's been attacked. Okay, if you watch the interview with Elton back, you can find it on YouTube, and I watched it. He hates hedge funds. He fucking hates them. They've almost killed his business a couple times, man. They wanted to bankrupt him. Okay, so there's a big thing on it. He goes right off, and he is really a lot of education in there about how the hedge funds rock and roll. Okay, so they're bottom feeders, man. Straight up bottom feeders, right? They go after people when they're in the hurt, and they're like COVID. They love this shit. They love businesses hurting because they'll go in there and fucking short the shit out of it and try to collapse it, and then they'll buy it up, right? It's really bad, man. It's a really sneaky way to make money. We do, Mr. L. Yep. Yeah, not a problem. Oh, you're here still, Sean. Okay, not a problem, man. Not a problem, buddy. Yeah, he does. He's yeah, he gives a lot of information. He totally said how they do their actions, and it was really good knowledge for me to learn. I've used that knowledge to a lot of my plays, right? And yeah, like that's okay. That's what I'm talking about. How he can tweet about something and it goes up. That's not good on a stock. Okay, that is scary if you're in on a stock, because he has a lot of power. I know a lot of people don't like him. I know a lot about him, but I respect his way of thinking. I know he's all into this natural environmental stuff, but he's not. A lot of his products actually do damage to the world. Just the way I look at it, I never read any of this, but I can see it, right? Like, a lot of it's good. It's all about money, okay? He's one of the guys that dream about stuff and make stuff come true. He's a lot like me. I'm not saying I'm smart like him, fucking nowhere near. Okay, I'm just saying that the way he believes in power of attraction too. Okay, he's tested the theory and he fucking mastered it. Okay, and it is what it is, guys. I would not be in on AMC if I didn't think that something was going to happen. Me of all people, come on, like really? Okay, so, and it's all about money. He's all into money. He is into money. He's a money man. Okay, he's into money. What he uses his money for is to fuel his needs and desires in life. His main desire in life is to go to Mars. Okay, if you guys know that. Okay, he will do anything. All his little projects, like PayPal is when he started, right? When he was a teenager, man. Like, he's a fucking genius, right? And I know a lot of people don't like him, but reality is one of the smartest people in this world, right? And he's the stupidest person in this world in a lot of ways, okay? Because you have to think both sides. Somebody that's really smart in some areas knows nothing in some other areas, okay? The same as me, right? I don't know anything in option trading, but I'm really good in the stock market. Does that make any sense like that? I'll try to do another example. I don't know. I pretty much know a lot of it, little bits of every. I'm just trying to think of something I don't know anything about. I'm trying to think about that. Trying to think of something here. Shit, I'm stumped. Trying to think of something I don't know anything about, and I can't think of anything. Fucking, I'm not being conceited. I'm just trying to think like that I know nothing. Religion. Some of the religions I don't know anything about. There you go. There you go. I nailed something. 2,000%. Holy fuck, Manji. Holy shit. Eddie is a living futurist, and the thing is he believes in the power of a law of attraction, and that's the only reason why he has what he has. Okay? Trust me. I know that. I've heard him talk about it, man, and he's, I know probably just as much as him about that shit. But he knows a lot that he won't talk about in person. He knows some stuff. He's tested this theory like me. I've tested the theory. I've tested the theory in a lot of ways, like buying my place. I bought my place and I had a dream, okay? And I paid it off in 3 years. I don't know how the fuck I did that still to this day. Bought a travel trailer, paid it off in 3 months. If I put my goal to things like my next goal is to just go do this job and to have within 2 years to have my goal is in 2 years to fucking buy $100,000 truck. It'll be my last truck, right? And and I'm not trying to be conceited, I have everything in life I need. I don't need anything, right? I've actually thought about it because I do this every year. I sit down with my family and I sit down and I make a goal. They don't do it, right? Because they think I'm fucking nuts. But I proved my theory so many times to people, but you have to be very strong-headed to do it because the average person can't do it. And I don't know why. I don't know why. That's one thing that really boggles my mind. The average person can't do it, and I'm not saying that I've mastered it or anything like that. It's the fear of the unknown. I don't know why it does it, right? So it all started back when I'm just trying to think. So the goal, what I was going to do is I sat down, and because sometimes I'll do like a 5-year goal, right? But usually it's a 1-year goal. It just because I like, I'm very hyper and I like things in fast motion. So what I'll do is like a 1-year goal, and I'll try to make something unrealistic to some degree. Not something far-fetched. There's a difference between unrealistic and far-fetched, okay? But this year I was trying to make a goal. I'm not talking like stuff I'm going to make the stock squeeze. Like that's stuff out of my control. That's stupid talk, right? But I'm talking about like, fuck. Like, but I'm thinking I don't need anything. Like I don't know, whatever. Like anything I need, I could go buy today. But it's not like that. It's maybe I'll do something for somebody else. Maybe that's what it'll be. I was gonna buy another piece of property on the lake, right? But then I thought about it, and it's not really worth it because how many times am I going to be up there on the lake? Life is too busy. I'm just going to be giving it all to the government for taxes. So you got to really think about things like that, right? It's just cheaper me to spend 5 to 10 grand a year to just go stay somebody for 2 months, to go rent a place, go rent a lot on the lake, pull my RV there and stay there for 5 grand for the summer instead of paying. So I'd pay 5 grand for the summer, for instance, for 2-3 months to stay on a piece of property, a lake, right? Piece of property, you stay there, gate, boom, go there, bring all your fucking quads, RV, speedboats, all that shit there, and you stay there, right? And for 5 grand a month, or for the summer, or buy it. You could buy it for 150, 200,000, right? But to go up there all the time, it won't happen. Just realistic, right? So for $5,000 a year times 10 years, that's 60 grand roughly ballpark. 60 grand times, that's 10 years. 20 years, that's 120 grand. Well, I'm already 40, 50, 60. I'll be 65 years old. I don't think I'm going to be traveling around with RVs and shit at 65. Well, maybe. So 60, 70, 80 years old. So when I'm 80, I'd own the place, and that's without interest. See, it's not worth it. See, that's how you gotta think about stuff. I'd rather just pay $5,000 to just go stay there. And then I don't have to pay taxes, right? So, and all the stress of that shit. So you gotta really think about things like that, right? Just trying to help you younger guys out and ladies out on that stuff, right? Just don't get caught up in these things where you're paying interest on all this shit that you want to do when you could just pay cash. You're not giving it all in interest, okay? Interest is a lot of people pay in their life 30-40% interest on everything that they, like I'm talking overall when they own the product, and at the end you own less, if that means anything to you. Okay. So, oh, I know why I'm going back to work too. I forgot to tell you guys that too. My dog needs a new leg. So, and that sound funny? He needs a leg. Well, I bought Franny, the little puppy. I put a new heart in her. Right now, she has a well, not new heart, but she had 3/4 of her heart missing. Remember, I told you guys that they put a plug in there. She'd be dead by now. But it was over. What did we spend? It was $10,000 for the surgery, but it came to 15 grand, and I don't care about that, right? It's for an animal. I told you guys know me. Anything for an animal, a human, they can fuck off in my eyes if they come and ask me for money. But if a little puppy needs something like that, I had her for 2 weeks, and I found that I could have given her back. No. So, anyways, we fixed her, and I should bring her in one day. She's really, really cute. She's fucking so much energy now ever since she got her heart. But my other dog, needs a leg now. His leg is, he needs surgery. Not a whole leg, but the groove in his knuckle where the tendon rides, it pops off all the time, and it's done to stage 2 now. So he starts limping and stuff. So what they need to do is cut him open and cut a groove, or no, they're gonna put a steel kneecap in there. So, oh, hey, buddy. What more do we need to squeeze for AMC? We need volume, my friend. That's the only thing we need is volume, my friend. We need so much volume that we're going to... I'm trying to think without them... Okay, there's a couple things that we need. Some of them are out of... most of them are out of our control, except one. The one thing is... Oh, and that knee thing is $4,000 to $5,000. So that's one of the reasons why I want to do. I don't want to have to go into my financial aspects to pull money out. That $4 or $5,000, if I was to pull out that now, in 10 years it would cost me $50,000 because I have stuff that compound interests. I don't know if you guys know anything about that stuff, but I have stuff set up that it makes within 10 years it makes over pretty close to $500,000 to $1 million. My assets, okay. They just do that. They just compound, okay? But if you fuck with it and you pull one equation out, it goes bad, if that means anything. Do you think it's possible going to the spring? I don't pawn. I think within the first 2 months of next year it's going to. Because that's around the time. I think after Christmas, guys. Within 2 months after, like, as you know, I'm not a friggin' genius in that way, and I can't judge exactly. I'll tell you how I'm coming to that conclusion. I'm very, very transparent to you guys. What I'm using is a formula that is just human nature. The taxes that they got to pay. Okay. If they were to do it this year, they're going to pay more taxes on all this shit. Capital gains, okay, capital loss, okay, and capital exemption, okay. So every country's different, and I know that I'm Canadian, and the laws are different in the States, but I'm just using the overall aspect of it. If they wait till next year, they've done a lot. You have to think that they have lost a lot. So they have a capital loss, okay? But as far as we know, okay? We don't know. I know they're making tons of money on this options, but for them to wait until next year would make more sense. And we're at the end of the year already, right? And I just, and I think we need the volume. We need dark pool to stop, obviously. Do I think it's going to happen? I'm 50-50 on that, man. They should have already done it. Somebody's getting paid. Some shit's going on behind the scenes. Gary Getzler, I'm really losing trust in him. I really thought that was our little cowboy there that was going to change things. He's more concerned about this fucking crypto shit, and he's just got to concentrate on some bigger stuff that is immediate and in front of his face. He hasn't really talked about it at all. He hasn't, so that's really a positive, if that makes any sense to you. If something's under investigation, he's investigating it, he's not going to talk about it. But if he's something that he's talking about every day or every week or so, it's really not on his mind. He's just trying to make us lip service, if it makes sense. I call it pacifying, where you talk about something over here, distraction, and then you do something over here and nobody even notices. You hope they don't, and they probably don't. Okay, that a lot of people do that. Presidents do that all the time. Okay, they'll talk about something about our medical system and get that something that people are really fucking agitated over. They'll just blow it out there. Trump was really good for that, and it's a tactic. They use it in warfare. Okay, what they do is they distract, or they might fire a couple missiles over here and kill a couple 100,000 or 1,000 people over here. Get everybody fucking talking about. Meanwhile, they're over here doing chemical warfare, building shit, and then fucking nuke the place, right? It's a fucking war tactic, and they've used it for Warren would probably fucking second me on this. They do it all the time, but you can use it in good ways too. Okay, it's just distraction, right? It's just the way the human nature works, right? But very smart people will do that. Like even geniuses will do that. They'll be making an environmental car over here, but meanwhile they're making a car that runs on water over here. They don't want people to know about it, and all of a sudden they'll bring it out and blindside the whole world with it and go, holy shit, how did this happen? Or the government does shit like this. They'll be talking about this shit and they'll pass a law through over here. You didn't even know the fucking law came through, and all of a sudden it's changed. There's a lot of ways that they can do stuff. So the basic of the story is it's distraction. So with Gary Getzler, I hope that's what he's doing with this crypto. He's trying to distract us over here while he's investigating AMC and GME and all that stuff over here. That's what I hope he's doing. Okay. And the bottom of the thing is we need volume, and I know the volume is not going to just come out of the midair. We do have the volume, though. We do, guys. It's the dark pool that's screwing it, okay? And what really screwed us was that payment and order flow. That would have fucking been our catalyst, guys. That would have screwed them. But I don't know why he didn't hit that hard. I don't know. I'm scratching my head on that still. I don't know, guys. Maybe you can help me out on that. Oh, does it? Warren, I know exactly what you're talking about, dude. I've seen that before. So yeah, my dog's name is Frankie. Frankie and Finnegan. Oh, no, sorry. Frankie, or was the last one, Finnegan and Franny. Those are the two dogs I have right now. They're sleeping right now with their mother in bed. Well, you guys hear them get up every morning. They get up about 9 o'clock, 8:30. But yeah, man, I will do anything for my animals. I'm just the way I am, right? But yeah, I need to get the surgery done, and I should get it done. Well, I can get it done whenever I want, but I was thinking in the new year. I don't want him to get surgery in the cold. I want to do it in warm just because he's going to have, I had my neck surgery in the cold in December, and it sucked. It sucked, the cold and just everything. So I think that. That's right. Yes, Joshua, you nailed it. Yes, 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 yes. I should have used that for an example. Yeah, I know. I'm just trying to, right? That's right. So I just want to know you. I just don't want to scare you guys. It's going to get about double worse. I'm not trying to scare you guys. Us Canadians are used as guinea pigs, okay, for a lot of stuff, especially this COVID virus shit. Like that's why I didn't want to really scare you guys, and I didn't know that your government was going to act on it like that. But remember, like all this shit that happened up here, and you guys are like, fuck, that'll never happen. Well, not all of you, but a couple of you said, that'll never happen in the States, man. Fuck that shit. And now it happened. I didn't know that because I don't get the news up here on it that much. It's a lot of it's covered up. But now you guys are fucking having to do all these fucking apps on your phone, and fuck me, man. I was hoping that didn't happen, man. But yeah, it's just fucked up. Yeah, we're caught in this channel, guys. Definitely 100%. See, I'm trying to... So... 41's as high as it'll go today. Maybe 41.50. Might have a pull up to there. I don't know. I'm not saying it's going to close at that, guys. So like, I'm just trying to show you the theory here that I've come up with here. And I'm not saying I know everything. You can usually see it in the first bit, in the first hour, and you can judge off of it. So here, let's do this. Let's do something like, let's play a little game here. Let's test my theory. I already know it works, right? So actually, no, I'm gonna put it up a little bit. Shit, because that's not fair. Oh, fuck off. Actually, we're gonna go like this. I'm gonna go right there. What? That doesn't make sense. Okay, what's going on here? Oh, it's so much. I know what's going on. I gotta change that too. Why is the 30? It's something weird. The charts. Oh, it's weird. Oh, it's like so simple. How can that be 40, 39, and that's 190? Oh, it's 41.30. Okay, I get it. I couldn't see through the line. I thought I was tripping out here. Okay, so there you go. There's your channel. I'm off a little bit. I'm off a little bit for a reason. Okay, there's a reason why I did that. So there's your channel, guys. How much difference is it? I didn't even judge it, and I'll just have a look right now. Okay, 41.38, roughly 39, 40, 41. So I'm being very tight. I didn't even give myself no wiggle room on that. So I could really, I don't know, that could go out of my parameters a bit, but I'm standing by that. There you guys go. There's your channel. Please don't put options on that. This is not financial advice, okay? Education purposes only. We're playing a game here with this, okay? Do. Oops. Okay. Oh, we got some new subs today. He's got a message. Why isn't this fucking thing working down here, though? On my screen. It's usually supposed to... Are you guys getting notifications when new subs are joining on the screen? Are you guys getting anything popping up? Well, I'm not noticing it. Are you getting any of the things pop up? New sub. No, we haven't. What the fuck's going on here? That's weird. It's usually supposed to notify us on the screen here and go bloop, bloop, and say welcome. Weird. I don't know. I'm not going to mess with it right now, but that's weird. Fucking weird, man. Alert box. Yeah, it says it's there. Why isn't it working? Nothing. Okay, thanks guys. That's weird. Yeah, we've had a couple people joining the channel while we've been streaming, and nothing coming up. Weird. On the weekend, I'm gonna format my computer again here. I'm gonna wipe it all. I'm wiping the whole fucking thing again here. I'm gonna do a fresh install on everything. There's some things that aren't working correctly, and I wish Christopher was here. Fuck. I'm just really scared to do it. But I got to download some stuff while it's working off the internet. I'm gonna go to I think I'm gonna have to get a better program, something that has all the drivers from my. I think I'm gonna go. Oh, that's from 8 days ago. Somebody subscribed. Yeah, weird. So yeah, I'm gonna have to go to the manufacturer of my company and get the drivers directly from them. The problem is they give you the drivers on a disc. Isn't that stupid? These new computers don't have a disk drive on them. Right? I guess I could go buy one. I have Windows 11 right here. Oh, you know that. I can't put Windows 11 on this. It doesn't have that fucking... I dive out this... It's the speakers, drivers there. Right on. You're awesome, Christopher, sorry. Yeah, Sanjay. No, it's not like that, dude. All the stuff on this Streamlabs is saved. That's all I care about is my YouTube stuff. All the other stuff I can rebuild on the computer, right? And if things go sideways, what I'm gonna do is I can always just laptop it. I just won't. Actually, I could plug these monitors in. I could. Fuck, I could plug the monitors right in the side of the laptop. I never even thought about that. I got that new Thunderbolt fucking... I know, DM, I know. I quit for a couple months, man. I'm just, it is what it is, bro. I went through a fucking stress attack. I had a stress attack. That's why the channel was down for a week. I stressed out because the fucking channel went down. And I wanted to try something here. Tell me. I do want to do a test, guys, with you guys. Tell me if you've noticed a difference in the quality change. I'm going to activate this VPN. And I haven't been running it because it's choking the internet speed a bit. I just wanted to test something here. It's not going to do anything. I'm just going to test something. I just want to test something and see if you guys notice anything. I can't, bro. My job, dude. I can't smoke marijuana. I smoke marijuana for fucking since I was like 16 or probably about 15 years old. Every day. Hi, Kat. How you doing there, girl? Yeah, that's what I got on the laptop here, that Thunderbolt C drive stuff. I got the adapter for it right here. There it is right there. There's the C drive adapter for the laptop. Plug all the... This is for what I'd use when I'm traveling, like when I'm in Mexico doing my stocks and stuff. I use this. I just plug this in the side. I can put it on the TV screen like up in the hotel room. And I can put my two traveling my mobile trader station, and I can plug all my my monitors in there. And then if it needs more power, you just plug the other end into an adapter. It's pretty cool. You gotta love these new laptops. If you have $4,000, they're fucking expensive. So, anyways, let's see. Why isn't it pulling it up? Give me a second, my friends. Okay, we're going to activate this shit right now. If it wants to come up. It's not wanting to come up. So yeah, see, there's a problem happening with this. This fucking computer. Yeah, see, it's not doing it. Weird. I'm on Wi-Fi? What? I'm on fucking Wi-Fi right now. How the hell is that possible? There's something weird going on here. How the fuck am I on Wi-Fi? Are you fucking kidding me? Network adapters. Just give me a second here, guys. How the fuck can I be on Wi-Fi and... Oh, Ethernet's disabled. How the fuck am I on Wi-Fi? Weird. Wow. I'm getting that good a signal on Wi-Fi? I don't like pineapples. Pineapple Express. Yeah, pineapple. That's awesome. Weird. I don't know. Who knows what's going on now? Weird. I'm not going to fuck with it while we're streaming here. You guys are awesome. Yeah, it's a weird market today, guys. Here, let's get the white screen off here. Fucking going blind again here. I don't know what's going on here. No idea. Yeah, that's weird that I'm on Wi-Fi. Is that on Wi-Fi too? And this is hardwired. Weird. Anyways, I won't worry about that right now. Yeah, something's happening. I can't. The VPN won't connect. Nothing will. That's why I need to format. Something's going weird with this computer, man. I need to just wipe the whole fucking thing and restart. But I'm not going to do that till the weekend, guys, because I'm not going to. What will, with my luck, something will happen. I won't get it working tomorrow. But what I'm going to do is save the sound drivers to a flash. I already have it in the computer right now. I already have that stubbed in here so it can always automatic update. I'm learning this stuff. Like, I know nothing about computers really, right? So, but I gotta send a lot of these big channels have ITs, guys, and I don't know if you guys know that they have ITs that are available to help them. Okay, these big channels like with 100,000 subs, they don't even make their own videos. Okay, they send them away to a lot of them go India. Okay. I've been offered this before, and one of my Indian friends said that for like $2-3, I can get my whole video edited and get all these nice shit popping up on it, all these nice sayings come on it, and yeah, so that's what I'm saying. They have onboard ITs that you just click a thing and they monitor these channels while you're streaming, and if anything happens, they're adjusting stuff all the time, right? I don't have that. Okay, and I never will, right? Because I just don't. For one thing, I'm too secretive, and I don't want people to have access to my shit, to my IP address and all that stuff, right? Just because I have my stocks on there, right? But yeah, it is what it is. So let's have a look here. Let's have a look at this. Yeah, it's pretty stale this morning, man. We're not getting nothing here. I'm gonna hit this refresh button. Weird. Fucking Wi-Fi. Fucking Wi-Fi. Are you kidding me? Wow. Shit. Dogecoin's... Everything's just correcting hard here, eh? BlackBerry took a total turn, my friends. It went from 3% positive down to 4%. That's a 4, 5, 6, 7, 8% adjustment. I'm talking in total each way. Wait, it lost its, and then it lost its to the par, and then it lost more. So you add the two up. That's how much it corrected, right? That's how you do that. Yeah, look at all these other big stocks that went up earlier. Like this one. This is another one here, guys. Oops, sorry. That's having a huge correction right now. What was it doing? Did it go up? Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's fucking... Oh, yeah. Holy shit. Holy crap. That's a big jump. What Look what that one did. That's a 50% jump. That's huge. That was a huge run up at 8 o'clock, on this one. This is a weird stock anyways, man. I've noticed. Yeah, guys, I don't know what to say about today. It's just, and Fridays are usually not the best either, my friends. This one's not doing mad for you, hey, brother? Who was in on that? Was it Mr. L? No, it wasn't. That was keeping PROG. There we go. That's up 15%. That's a pretty good money, man. If I was day trading on this, fuck, I would have made some good. 15% is a good chunk of money, man. Especially if you have you throw 10, like I always throw 5 or 10 to $10,000, if not sometimes more chunks in when I trade. It's like 5 or 10s usually I'll do in different orders. Like I'll do fucking $5,000 here or 10 grand on this broker, and then I'll do 5 or 10 on this broker, and I'll boom, 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 right? And that's what I do. I'm not suggesting that to anybody, okay? Look at that. That's why I got a warning ahead of time, guys. See, my broker up is pretty good. This was only up like 1%. Remember that lithium stock? Now it's up 10. Okay? I got a warning like when market opened from that. Remember my thing went up? The bank warns you sometimes and gives you heads up on stocks that are going to rip. Because I don't know why they do that and how they do that. It must be off a volume, but I've seen this multiple times happen. Crazy. You got in at 319. It was Mr. L. Okay, brother. Okay. It was you. What's the short volume interest on PROG? Yeah, lithium's up quite a bit. Does anybody know the shorted volume on that? Isn't it weird? I just wanted to say one thing. I was thinking about this last night. Okay, you know how many stocks that are supposed to be set up for a squeeze? There's over 30, okay? And they keep on talking about, this is a squeeze play, this is a squeeze play. And they've all gone almost a year, and none of them have squeezed. Have you thought about that one? You thought about that? Is it? Okay, Pawn. Ape Father's talking about other stocks. He gives everybody shit for talking about other stocks. That's weird. Why do you think? NUZE? What the hell is that? What's that, bro? Is that a ticker symbol? I've never heard of that. I don't know, my friend. I'll check it out. I'm just gonna go off on a limb here because I just asked you a question. I'll take it. You won't even get that stream thing for a minute. I'm way ahead of you on that, so I'll just check this out. I could be wrong. I'm looking up something that. Oh, it is a ticker symbol. Oh, fuck. What did I do now? What did I do? The hell did I do? I don't know what I did. Yeah, he's a fucking head, man. Waterhead. Yeah, Jerry, but notice I just mentioned that. Everybody's like, oh, this stock is going to squeeze. This stock's going to squeeze. This stock's gonna squeeze. Not one of them squeezed since in a year. What the fuck is this doing here? It won't let me look at the stock. Oh, there it is. No, it won't let me go. Oh, there it is. Oh, there's no volume on that. Holy shit. That's nothing. That's not going to do anything, guys. I can tell by... And they need volume on that. This would... Even though you're saying it's the most shorted stock in the world, or the shortest stock right now, it has to have volume. There's nothing here. Like, nothing, dude. That's bad. Holy shit. I could potentially in the future... But all I'm saying, it needs volume. And if it gets volume, yeah, it probably could. But it's not going to do it unless they get volume. I can see it just right now by looking at it. It shorted 22%. Okay, thanks, Lucas. So yeah, it could, it potentially could, right? But it needs volume. It needs a lot of volume. I can tell by looking at this sporadic, these dots all over. And if I put it on the 30, it should get some bars. Oh, see, it's not even getting bars on the 30, man. Yeah, it's got a long ways to go. Oh, fuck. On the 1 hour, it's still getting sporadic? Yeah, I don't know. That's a lot of red. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know about that. It's going to take a long time. But if it gets volume, it will. It just needs volume, right? Just like us. We need volume. But this is like really bad. They got nothing. Nothing, man. What does it say? What's the lowest? Okay, it was worth $1.09. That went to a $15. Ooh, some people probably lost some money on that. Let me guess. In January, it went to $15. No, I'm on the wrong. No, I'm not on Pro. No, I'm on. No, I'm on Lucas. I'm on. I'm looking up NUZE right now for Lloyd. He asked me, why do you think this is down so much? And then I asked, why, what's this one? Oh, Proj, yeah. No, Proj, yeah. This one, I'm back on it right now. Yeah, I was on a different stock, my friend. I was looking up something for Lloyd. But yeah, this one, I'm totally, it does have some volume coming in, for sure. It's supposed to be the most shorted stock. But yeah, it's just, I just wanted to be very, very transparent on this, that a stock needs to have volume and action for 1 year straight before it will squeeze, okay? A stock squeeze is a planned event. They're all of them, okay? You have to plan it. And it has to have a whole bunch of things line up in order. They have to be like verbatim. They all have to line up in sequence for a stock squeeze, okay? You have to have your shorted interest. You have to have the short volume. You have to have actual volume coming in from other people, okay? You have to have media coverage, okay, to get that volume. You have to have FOMO, okay? You have to have the shorts cover, okay? That's the only way it will happen, okay? On any stock in the fucking world, that's the way it happens. That's the whole thing of a short squeeze, okay? And then the shorts have to cover. If they don't cover, it won't squeeze. But yeah, that's how it works, my friends, on that. And you guys know that. You guys know that. Yeah, volume is key, Lloyd. Yep, it is. On any of this, it has to have volume. So, yeah. But the thing is with this, it would be beautiful. I wanted all to squeeze for you. It's just there's a lot of media hype around the squeeze thing, and the problem is they're it's not our fault, but everybody's. If everybody would have stuck together in the beginning and just stayed on one or two stocks, everybody's diverted. Everybody's all gone every which way. They're on this stock, they're on BlackBerry, they're on this one. It's too diverted. There's not enough volume to make all this go, okay? Or else it would have already all happened, okay? These things could potentially take years to do it. They might not. They might never squeeze, right? Good morning, 79. So, and guys, I want all this stuff to squeeze for you. I want you guys to make fucking money, but I'm realistic on stuff, okay? Like I said, I'll never put stuff out there that to mislead you guys or anything like that, right? But I just I'm a realistic person. You just have to have all those factors line up, right? Or you have a huge catalyst that happens, like something happens that's huge, which will track the volume. You have to have volume. You have to. But if we didn't have all this diverting, we would have had things squeezed. Like a lot of there's people that have jumped and got out because it's taking too long, because they were uneducated on it. A stock squeeze takes a year plus. Okay, going into a stock, and it's just media's problem. I'm talking media, Facebook, Reddit, all that stuff. That's the issue. Okay, is not proper education. Okay, people have gone into stocks thinking, oh man, this is going to squeeze in 2 weeks. Not being educated properly. Okay, listening to other things that is not factual information. Okay, going into some, and I was one of the statistics. Okay, I did not think it was going to squeeze in AMC in 2 weeks. I knew that from January. I knew that. But when it hit the 6 month mark, I had to do a little bit of digging. So I did some digging and I shared my knowledge with you that every stock squeeze on the fucking planet, take even the Volkswagen squeeze, it took a year plus. Okay? It has to be planned. Okay? Any knowledge I can draw concern? Why is it so low in the... Yeah, Sundial I know lots about, my friend. Sundial, why is it so low? Like the price? Okay, I'm assuming you're... Company not working out? No! Sundial is one of the biggest fucking companies in Canada, buddy. The problem is with Sundial is the same as with the AMC and all that. It's the dark pool, my friend. Sundial has a lot of... they got issued a lot of stock. Okay, a substantial amount for the company at its time. Sundial has bought up pretty much every marijuana company in Canada. There's only a handful now left. They bought up all these mama and papa shops and stuff. And even if it doesn't say Sundial and it says some other company, they do it for tax purposes in Canada, but it's actually owned by Sundial. So Sundial will wait for a company to go bankrupt and they'll buy all the product up. Okay, they're not like hedge funds. I'm not talking like that. What they'll do is they will buy the space up. They won't help bankrupt a company. I'm not talking like that, like hedge funds. I'm talking that they will buy up stuff. So it's gonna have its day. Okay. Like I said, Sundial's in Alberta. It's the next province over. And yeah, it's one of the, it's a really good, they have really good product. My wife smokes it every day, right? Like we have in my city, there's lots of dispensaries. Okay. I have one like right down at the corner of the street and they deal with Sundial product. They're actually, the government dispensary. I prefer to go to the government ones because the product's monitored. Not that I smoke it, but for my wife and stuff. And when I did smoke it, I know what I'm getting. If it says it's 31% THC, it's 31% THC. Some of the other dispensaries you go to, they'll say, oh, it's 31% THC. And it's not. It's like 21, right? It's, that's the problem, right? So if you want the good product and you want it monitored by the government, you're going to pay a little bit more maybe for it, right? But it's worth it. So yeah, it's not Sundial's fault, my friend. It's the same as AMC, right? Everybody knows AMC's fucking rocking, right? Theaters and everything's back to normal compared to what it was like 8 months ago. And yeah, there you go, my friend. So that's that. It's strictly to do with them shorting or the fucking with it. right? With the dark pool and shit like that. It's going to have its day. It's going to have its day. It's going to go up multiple hundreds of percent. It's not going to go as high as AMC. Okay. I'm not going to put a price on it, really, but I think it will be, see, it's so cheap right now for it to go up to like 1,000%. I'm just trying to think. That'd be like $60, isn't it? $66, 1,000%. Add the zero. Yeah. I can see it going up to around 1,000%. Not much higher. Oh, okay. There you go. There you go, Lloyd. There's some information from Brandon. And there's something else too. If you're putting options, you can have. Don't you have the option of buying the stock too, my friend? Don't you have options of buying the shares? Isn't there something like that? I heard. Like I said, I'm not. I'm just going on a limb here. I'm not a professional in that. I'm just trying to. Yeah. Yeah, Joshua. Yeah, you guys. I'm not trying to deter you on Sundial at all. Like, fuck, it's an awesome stock. I'm actually giving it positive information, guys. That's what I'm giving it, saying it like they own a lot of shit. Like, don't listen to any, if you're from the States, don't listen to any of the bullshit on Sundial. If it's negative information, it's not the company's fault at all. Okay, they're fucking screaming right now. Okay, there's shortage of workers. They're actually hiring trimmers up here to actually, you can actually get a job going trimming marijuana, man. It's all through the papers and it's legit. You have to pay taxes on it. The pays, our minimum wage is $15 an hour now here, right? So, they're paying minimum wage. See, I don't even know what Brandon's talking about, some of those things on there. I'm back in a minute, guys. I need to fill my vape up. Just give me a second. There we go. There we go. Okay, guys, let's have a quick look here. I'm gonna jump off here in a little bit here because it's a little bit early. I'm not doing. We're not doing that fucking. We're just. We're at a fucking. Where's that? Coast today, and there's no. Let's go on to AMC here. Just want to check out GME for a second here, my friends. Yeah, it's one of these. Yeah, and Friday. Tomorrow's Friday. Usually the market's stale on a Friday. Yeah, BlackBerry's Canadian too. Out of Quebec, if you guys didn't know that. That's why I know a lot about it. BlackBerry's a really good company. It's not fucking BlackBerry's fault. Like, seriously, they make hospital equipment. They're the main security for all the Canadian government has BlackBerry monitoring all of their money. Okay, like the BlackBerry is like fucking huge in Canada right now. A lot of people don't even in Canada know how huge it is, right? Volvo Group is partners with BlackBerry. They make better software than Tesla does for driving vehicles without people in them. They have better software than Tesla. Trust me, they do. It's way better. It's called QNX. I'm wrong on that. It's Q something software. Like in your cars, the cluster in your dash. 80% of all of it across the world is BlackBerry, and a lot of people don't know that. But yeah, in the last couple years, not every car, like older. I'm talking about newer cars. Okay, what was I gonna fucking look up here, man? Oh, I was gonna look up GME. have a quick look here. Yeah. Same thing. Same thing as AMC. I know they're off a percent, the difference, but look at that. Look at GME. Look at that. Just a mirror image. Look at this, guys. Look at that, okay? Look at that. There you fucking go. Joshua, I can't really tell you what to buy and stuff, my friend. You know that. But it's pretty cheap, and it's only gonna BlackBerry could dive again on the price. I'm not saying that, but down the road, it's way under. I'm just telling you, it's way undervalued. Okay, I think in the next 4 or 5 years, it'll be worth $100 to $200 a share. Okay, that's just what I'm thinking. I can't really tell you what to buy, and I'm not a genius on that, but I know it's undervalued, like fucking 100% undervalued. It's undervalued so bad for what it is, like, and it's so shorted. You have to remember, BlackBerry had BlackBerry phones, okay? It was shorted back then, so it's been shorted. They've tried bankrupting BlackBerry ever since it started, okay? And they've fought this forever. Oh, I'm out of coffee. I'm out of coffee, guys. But yeah, I wanted to show you this. I'll show you one more time. Okay, look at, there's AMC. Oh, we're dead on 41. Okay, look at this. This is why I say these things are going to both squeeze at the same time pretty much. Look at that. Fucking identical. Oh, what did I do now? Fucking retard shit here. Okay, there you go. GME. AMC. GME. AMC. There you go. They're pretty close, eh? Okay, guys, I'm gonna bounce on here, man. I'm gonna jump off here. I want you guys to have the good rest of your day. There's no sense we're just hanging out here. I know it's awesome and stuff, but you guys go do something. The stock's doing fuck all today, man. The market's kind of. Sanjay, you're funny. Brandon, you're awesome, man. No worries, man. It's all good. I'm just giving you guys heads up on heads up on the times are going to be changing here. I'll be very honest with you guys on that stuff. It won't be like this, but when it squeezes, fuck yeah, I'm going to be here. Only on the one squeeze though, guys. AMC, okay? If GME squeezes, this is probably going to be at the same time, and if it does that, I will split the screen into both, okay? But if we have like any other stock squeeze at the same time, I can't. I'm not going to put a 4 screen on there because you guys can't see it. I don't have enough good enough software for that. So what I'll do is I definitely will cover GME too, because we can use that as a catalyst for the other one or to compare. And I think that will be really beneficial for both stocks. And I just wanted to tell you, so if you join, the good thing about YouTube is how it records, and you can watch the stream. So when you get up in the morning, you can watch this. It's only going to be about 10 to 15 minutes, and I know there's only going to be a handful of you on here at that time, which is cool. Yeah. So I told you guys that I'll always keep that. I'll keep it going. I'm not going to sell you guys out. My word's my word, right? It's just that things change in life, and yeah, Same as with your guys' lives, it changes every friggin' day. And I just wanted to say things are better now, man. Yeah, what I'll do is have here's how it works. When I put the stream key in and it pops up the notification and it says this video is going to air in like an hour or like in 8 hours or 10 hours when I put it up, you can write in the comment box on there. Okay, I will answer your questions. Okay, so if you're not up in the morning and you have a question for me, just write it the day before on the chat bar, and I'll answer. I'll actually type it out and answer for you guys. Okay, it might be a short answer. I might not give you like everything I would right now and talk about it, but I'll give you like an answer, or I'll look at a stock for you. You have to remember that I'm only gonna have 15 minutes, right? So because I gotta head to work. I got a 2-hour drive to work. I gotta get up at 4 in the morning, right? Because you have to remember I'm on a different time frame than Eastern Standard Time, right? Okay, guys, I'm out of here, and I want you guys to have a great day, and I'll see you guys here tomorrow morning, and hopefully things are a little bit better for us in the morning. We'll see how that happens, and we'll see how this theory goes with this channeling theory that I've came up with here, and I just wanted to share that knowledge with you guys, right? And we'll see how it works out for tomorrow. We'll see if it stays in that channel. Okay? Anyways, you guys have a great day. Have a good one.